Have you heard the word MVP when people talk about startups? It doesn't mean most valuable player. In business, MVP means minimum viable product. That's a simple version of your product that has only the main features, just enough to test your idea and see if people like it. Let's say you want to build a food delivery app. The full version might have maps, payment, reviews, and tracking. But building all of that takes time and money. An MVP is the basic version. Maybe users can just choose food and enter an address. That's it. You build that first, launch it, and see how people use it. Why? Because it helps you save money, learn faster, and improve the product based on real feedback, not guesses. Big companies like Facebook, Airbnb, and Dropbox all started with MVPs. So remember, MVP is not perfect. It's just enough to learn and grow.